So we were coming back to do our buckets the other day, putting our taps in the top part of the sugar bush, and we discovered this. This huge oak fell. And it took out about 6 of our maples. One of which was a good size for tapping. The others were up and coming. Kind of a bummer. You can see right there the root ball. This maple's obviously toast. That maple right there, totally blown apart. Total of 6 maples taken out, 1 pine tree. There's probably a beech in there. This spring pole right here. This is gone. There's nothing holding it down now. It's just, it's bent, not going anywhere except into the firewood pile. This was a nice maple right here. You could see it just yanked the roots right out. And that's split dead center, so that's gone. We had a lot of oak die off because of gypsy moth caterpillars and drought. It was kind of a double whammy. So a lot of our oaks basically just died. The root system starts to deteriorate, and then you get a strong wind, and the next thing you know, they're down. So this could have been a lot worse, but it is what it is, and we're just going to keep on trucking. I've got a lot of firewood to work on this year. This is going to be a lot of video content for you guys who like to burn and cut wood. So just wanted to show you what we're up against. Mother Nature's always going to throw a wrench in the gears if she can, but we just work around it. We'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you like the content of these videos, smash that like button and take a look at the video coming up in the link.